Welcome to Jen's Daily Dish. Today we're making lemon meringue cupcakes. Yes, need I say more? I think not. First you make the cupcakes, then you make the lemon curd, which we're gonna do in the microwave, yay! And then we're gonna make that meringue topping and stick it in the broiler to get all toasty and delicious. Have I made this before? Huh. No, of course not. I've never made it before, but we're gonna make it together, you and I. We're also making it because somebody tell me, oh ho ho, why I'm making these cupcakes, oh ho ho. Why? Hello, lemon meringue cupcakes. First things first, preheat your oven to 400 degrees. Second thing, go ahead and get your muffin tray ready to go with those paper liners, which I sprayed with a little bit of nonstick spray, just in case. 1.5 cups cake flour. 1 teaspoon baking powder. 1/4 teaspoon salt. 1/4 teaspoon baking soda. 2/3 cup of sugar. 5 1/3 tablespoons of butter, unsalted, room temperature. 1 large egg, room temperature. 1/2 teaspoon vanilla extract or paste. Add 1/8 teaspoon of lemon oil if you have it, it's optional. Add 1/2 of your 2/3 cup buttermilk. Blend on medium speed 2 minutes. Add the remaining 1/3 of buttermilk. Mix for an additional 1 minute. Fill each until they're about 2/3 full. Bake for 15 to 18 minutes until they're a light golden brown. Get your microwave bowl ready. It is lemon curd making time in under 8 minutes. 1 cup of freshly squeezed lemon juice. It's about 4 to 5 lemons. 1 cup of sugar. 2 large eggs. 8 tablespoons melted butter. Stir together just a little bit. Microwave for 1 minute increments. Stir after every round. Right, let's check the temperature. It should be at least 185 degrees. We are there. Let's take it out. Go ahead and use a strainer because I know that mine probably overcooked just a little bit. Which it did. You see those egg white pieces there? Put in the refrigerator to fully cool down. Time's up. Let's check them. Toothpick test. Clean. Let these cool completely before we go to the next step. Now that the cupcakes are cool, use an apple corer or something similar. Feel free to use a knife. And we're gonna core out that middle. This is where the lemon curd is gonna go in. The delicious lemon curd we made is now custardy texture. You go and fill to the brim. for the meringue, 3 large egg whites, 1/4 teaspoon cream of tartar. Create soft peaks. Once you have those soft peaks, add your 1/8 teaspoon salt. Gradually add in your 6 tablespoons of sugar. Stiff peaks, just what we want. Set your oven to broil, or do you have a torch? Use that, because we're gonna flame the top of these meringues on top of the cupcakes. At this point, you can pipe, or you can just place the meringue on top. I'm gonna go ahead and pipe it because I know it'll just look a little neater. In true form, I have never done this before, but let's toast that meringue. Keep an eye on it. Oh, that took no time at all. Look at that. Oh, they look so pretty. And yum. Oh my, yum. Look at how toasty that meringue looks on top. Smells delicious. Let's taste it. Oh my. If I had let them cool longer, it would not ooze out the middle. This looks so good. Let's taste it. This is a big bite, but it's got the lemon curd, the meringue, and that lovely cake. Mm-mm. That is heaven in a cupcake. That lemon curd is so delicious. And it would have set up even more when you let them cool to room temperature. It is delicious and flows out like a lava cake. And the meringue on top, of course, is sweet and yummy. Who doesn't like meringue? And the cake is lovely and soft and moist and delicious. This is like everything you would ever want in a lemon meringue cupcake or pie or lemon anything. This is it. This is it. If I can make lemon meringue cupcakes for the very first time with you, you can too. Don't forget to like and subscribe and check me out on Instagram. And let me know if you make these delicious lemon meringue cupcakes.